Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. Today we are working on a GR Corolla. So what we're doing today, we are installing a
dash cam front and rear.
Let me show you the camera real quick. We'll do a small unboxing of it so you guys can see what comes into the box. This is what's in the box, guys. We added a 512 gig SD card. Here you got this hardwire kit. Okay. And here you have the camera, guys. So it is a VIOFO 4K A229 Pro. It's a 2-channel camera and it should have everything you need, and also come with the new Sony Starvis sensor. Let's take this out real quick so I can show you guys what's in there. Alrighty. So this shows you how to connect it, guys. It's pretty detailed. I'll take a picture so I can show you guys. Hold on. I'll put the picture in the video so you guys can see. First thing we see here is the camera. Let me take it out. There you go. VIOFO is known for having really good cameras. So this is it, guys. This is the back. This is the side. There you go. All right, it has a microphone in here, and here's the front again, guys. It's a good sized camera. Let me show you the rest. So over here, this should be the rear camera. Here it is, guys, small enough. USB 3. There you go. Okay, let's put it back in here for now. Right, we take this out. This is talking about how to connect it, and the little card to call customer service if you need it. Here's the information. There you go. Before you install, the little card that's in here tell you the before you install instruction. Okay, and what I like, a lot of the new cameras are coming with these little pads. I like these little pads. You have one for the front, one for the rear. There you go. And you have a little user manual in there as well. And you can use those QR code if you need to make it easier. And keep going. Okay, here you have extra pads for the front and the rear, which is nice. And then you have a small USB. I think this is for the camera. And this is the power adapter if you're using this one, which we're not going to use, or we might use it. So USB to USB 3. And then you have this little VIOFO USB 3C here, which is cool. I like that. All right, now you have that long cable that goes to the back of the car, also USB 3. You have a little trim removal tool, and here you have the CPL filter, which is nice. Comes with everything, guys, everything. Alrighty, so guys, the only thing I didn't really show you, this is the hardwire kit. Let me take it out real quick so you guys can see. So in this you have basically, let me show you what's in there so it'll be easier. So depending on your car, you have regular fuse, you have a micro, and 2 different mini, micro, mini, and I don't know, I forgot what this one is called. So you got 4 different style you can use depending on what car you're installing it on. All right, more cable out. And you have an extra set. Oh, that's very nice. Really nice, guys. There's 2 of them. And here, this is the hardwire kit. And it has a little adjuster, so you can go from 11.8, 12.0, 12.2, or 12.4, so it can cut off power, so it doesn't drain your battery. Very nice. I like that. The little switch is right here. And here's the cable, and that goes to the camera. Let's go and start the installation. That's pretty much it. A lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're not trying to run. Usually we go to the start, but I'm gonna try it from the back because I feel like it's a little harder. We're gonna try to run the cable for the back camera. Let me unravel it first and figure out where we're gonna run it, because it's gonna be a tough one. All right, so it's a long cable, so this goes to the connect to front. All right, so this part goes to the front. So all right guys, let me see how it's gonna look, and then we're gonna start to run the cable. All right, first thing first guys, let's take this little cover off. It'll just be easier. All right guys, it's looking like to get my camera to go right up in here in this little area there, I'm gonna have to pop this thing off, and I'm gonna have to make a little hole in there. So let me grab my trim remover tool. We're gonna pop this thing off and figure out where we're gonna run the cable. Okay, there is a little clip holder. Let's try to take this thing off. Okay, I got it out. This grommet is looking like the best one to run the cable, guys. So we're gonna run our cable through here. All right, so let's pop this off a little. I should be able to. There we go, guys. You see. All right guys, now I'm gonna zip tie my cable to that. I'm gonna tape my cable to that so I can pull it up. 1 second. Now let's pull it. Okay, I got it. Whew, that was hard.
Yeah.
Now we can take out the tape. All right guys, now it's gonna be a tough one. Push the cable through here. All right, just give it a little bit more slack. Okay, now let's try to put this rubber thing back in. It's not gonna be easy. All right, I got it guys. When you take this white piece out, it'll be a lot easier to put the rubber into it. Right, see, now it's 4 clips on each side guys, so use those clips. All right, so now you can push this back in. It'll be a lot easier. Boom. Yeah baby, yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna run my cable through here, and then we're gonna basically run it all the way to the front. Let's start from here. I think I like this a lot. We can put this back into place. Vale. Then don't forget the little clips. All right, done. So this is what I'm making. I don't know if you could see, just so I can put the cable. I want it to be really nice and round. So I'm just using my little filer. All right, let's check it guys. All right guys, so this is really good. This is what I made, this little tiny hole. And then my cable is gonna come out this way, and I can probably clip this back in. I'm not going back in there anymore. There you go. And my camera is gonna go right in here, guys. Really, I like that. All right, guys, let's go on the other side of the car. Okay, so we can really run the cable all the way to the front. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm just finding a way to bunch up the cable so it doesn't because it's a long cable and the car is a smaller car. This cable is so thick, I gotta do it this way. They made it to go inside the SUV, making two different cables. A lot better, guys. I can move this over here. I have more slacks, and I'll fix the top one here. If you could try to get it over that little black piece.
I think you're touching my finger, yeah.
Yeah.
Over there, yeah.
All right, so my fuse back is down here, so I'm gonna run my cable all the way to the A pillar over here to be connected right on this area there. All right, guys, so my fuse back is down here, and to get access to it, I think I have to take this panel off. Oh, okay. All right, guys, now I took this thing out. You gotta push down, pull out. So let's take this one out too. There's like a little twisty thing that holds it here. Let's remove it. Now we should be able to pull this out. Okay, you pull it out and it should be clipped. Oh my goodness. All right, I got it. I still can't get to the fuse. I think it's over here. Guys, let's take out this cover here. Another screw back here on the other side. Okay, unclip it. All right. I'm gonna try to take the OBD connector out too. All right, put it to the side for now. Okay. All right, let's figure out which fuse we can use, guys. All right, guys, so I found the fuse box. I think I found a fuse that works. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop this cover off. Okay, put it to the side. And we're gonna take our cable for the camera. I'm gonna run it up. Alright, guys, looks good. Now we can put this rubber seal back in place. Okay. Alright, guys, now let's go and try to find somewhere to connect this guy. I think I have something else already. We're gonna test it real quick. I got the fuse out. Okay, so we took the 7 out. We're gonna put the 7 in here because this one only need a 5. So here it is. So we're gonna use the added fuse that come in the kit. I just changed the connectors to bullet connectors. So we're just gonna test it now to see if it turns on. All right. Okay, I got it connected. We're gonna use this ground point right here, guys. We should be able to do it. All right, let's unscrew this guy up a little bit. All right, this ground is on. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go prepare the area for the camera. I'm gonna install the camera and I'm gonna finish the cabling in a little bit. So let me just prepare this thing here. Okay, and we're gonna install this little adhesive stuff. Let's go and install it. All right, it's on. Let's take the other one off. Nice. Let's find a spot to line up the camera. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna connect the cameras. All right, I think that looks good. Now we can take the 3M tape off, guys, and then we can line this guy up. All right. Okay, here you go. All right, that looks good, guys. That looks really good. Let me show it to you. Yeah, that's good. I like that a lot, guys. It's lined up, and then we'll move this. All right, that looks good, guys. Let's go, and then we're gonna go and then install the rear camera. All right, guys. Let's just clean this a little bit so we can put the film on there. So we're gonna peel number 1 in first, and then we lined it up. Looks good. Now we peel number 2. There we go. All right, guys, and all right, guys. Now let's take the 3M tape out. We can line this guy up. I'm gonna put it right here. Put it a little higher. Okay, you can connect it. There we go. Looks good. I like that. Yeah, it looks good. All right, guys, let's go trying to finish up some of the cabling. Let's go. Okay, guys, let's try to finish this cabling here so I can attach everything. Okay. All right, guys, so we're gonna do the added fuse on both sides. So let me take the added fuse that I'm gonna use. So this guy is gonna go right here. All right, guys, we're just gonna put a little piece of tape on both of these guys here. Another one here. Oh. All right, guys. We're gonna zip tie this cable over here. All right guys, I got all the cables zip tied. As you can see, it's all ready to go. I popped one of the fuse, so I'm gonna wait for it. I ordered it. It should be here hopefully tomorrow, so we can finish this up. So I'm not gonna finish this up. I'm gonna leave this out until we get the fuse, then we put it on. But for now, we are good to go. All the cables are connected and ready, just waiting for a fuse so we can put this covers back. Beside that, we are good for now, so I'll finish out the video tomorrow. All right guys, so this is what I did. Right here there's a 7.5. I used that for the yellow, which is the ACC. This 7.5 right here is for the battery plus for the camera. So that's how I got everything installed. Keep in mind that little cover that cover the fuse box, once you add a fuse, you cannot use it anymore, unfortunately. So I'm gonna keep mine in the glove compartment so I can save it. This is right here my little module for the power. I put it at 11.8. I'm gonna leave it for a couple days. I think I might put it at 12. See right here, I didn't finish zip tying them. I'm gonna zip tie them on the top over here so they're not in the way at all. So all of my cables are ready to go. So basically the camera is ready. All right guys, I just want to show you what the fuse is supposed to look like. So when you buy the kit, it comes with the 5 already installed, and then the 7 is the one that was already in the car. So that's what I use for the yellow, which is the ACC. So I just wanted to show it to you guys what it looks like. So keep in mind, for this car you need the micro low profile. Okay, micro low profile fuses. They look basically like this one. I'll show you. So let's put it on and then finish this up. Let's make sure the camera turns on. All right guys, the camera turns on. Now we can fix this cabling. All right guys, all my cabling look good guys, so I'm happy with that. So now let's put this cover here. This is the cover, my little ambient light. Anyway guys, so now we can reconnect the OBD. You just flap it in, that's it. Now I gotta line this guy up, find all the clips. Everything looks good guys. All right guys, let's put the screws. There's one on each side. Okay, that is it guys. Now we just got to put this cover back here. All right guys, let's put this little cover here. It goes underneath this guy. Alright, that's in. Alright, now we can put this little retainer clip. All you have to do is just put it in the thing and screw it. Right, it is in. Now we can finish putting this, line it up, and alright guys, done. Alright guys, let's turn on the car for a little bit, just so you can see what the camera looks like. We have to go through the menu to do a couple things. All right, let's go. Is it okay? This is not touchscreen guys, so I don't know which one it is for the time zone. Let's do 0 for now because I don't know. It says that the camera would automatically set a time zone once it acquires a GPS signal, so that's good enough for me. Per hour, yes. Hold on, I've got to put the SD card guys, hold on. With this, I'm gonna slide it out a little bit. Here we go, so I can put the SD card in. All right, SD card is in. Now, there we go. Now we can put the camera back in. I like that. I give it enough slack. All right, wait for the camera to boot up. We gotta do this whole thing over again. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right, formatting the memory card now. Memory card is formatted successfully. Alright guys, in order for you to go to the menu, you gotta stop the recording. Let me go, let's do video recording, resolution. Yep, it's gonna be 4K, that's good, leave that at 4K. Let's go to video bit rate, normal, okay. Let's go loop recording. Let's do 2 minutes, okay. Record audio on, okay. Exposure, front camera, leave it at 0 for now. Rear camera, 0, okay. We're gonna do auto HDR and G sensor, yes. Medium, that's fine. Stamps. Parking recording. We're gonna leave it off for now. Alright guys, I think we are all good for now. We can go back to this. And more into the camera, let me know. All right. So anyway, this is all set up guys, the camera is installed. I'll go to the menu a little bit. So like and subscribe, tell me what you think. I'll put everything in the description down below. So thank you again for watching. Until the next time, peace.
Yeah.